May from Royal Lepage Village. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about preparing your home for sale. If you're looking at selling in the spring or summertime, it's really important that your home is in good repair and that your gardens are well looked after and that your deck, if it needs restaining, is also looked after and given a fresh coat. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is to remove the gray coating that tends to get into the wood planks. With a simple hack using a few drops of Dawn dish soap, some vinegar and some hot water, as well as a little bit of elbow grease, you're going to be able to take that gray right out of the wood, and you're going to prepare your wood boards for receiving the actual coat of stain. Take a look at the difference between the part that I've just cleaned, and it didn't take long. It was just a couple of minutes of effort, and look how much has been removed. This wood, once it's actually dry, will be completely ready to receive a new coat of stain. So now I'm about to start staining the stairs. So yesterday I washed them with the entire solution, as I just showed you, with the vinegar, the Dawn soap and the hot water, scrubbed it, and I've let it dry a good solid 24 hours. Really important, we want the wood to be completely dry before you're applying your stain. We also want to ensure that pets are secured and not going to be coming out walking on this. We need it to dry for a good 24 hours after this. I like to use a smaller brush so that I have control. A lot of people will think, let's get it done fast and let's use a larger brush or a roller, but it applies so much nicer into the wood grain if you actually use something that you have control with. So how often you actually stain your deck or restain your deck depends on the exposure. If it's getting a lot of sun exposure, especially on the flat surfaces, it's going to gray quicker. You're probably going to have to do it every second year. If you're talking about vertical pieces, such as the posts, you can actually go a little bit longer on those.